Hi there. So today what we're looking at is an acorn squash. I've cut it in half, scooped out the seeds, and on one I've put some avocado oil and a little bit of garlic powder. So we have a savory take on acorn squash. And on the other side we have a little bit of butter and some cinnamon, my famous anti-inflammatory cinnamon blend, as well as a little bit of coconut sugar and just a touch of brown sugar, just for that sweet side there. So this is the first time I'm trying acorn squash. I really enjoy butternut squash and spaghetti squash, so I thought I'd try my hand at this today, and we'll keep you posted and let you know how it goes. Okay, so here are the acorn squashes, and it was about 50 minutes, roughly, well, about 40 minutes that I cooked it in the oven at 400 degrees. And I added a little bit of Parmesan cheese to this one, and it just melted nicely. So you see all the caramelization here and all the butter and natural juices and cinnamon and sugar in there. So that looks wonderful. It's a little too hot to eat right now, but I will let you know in a moment how it tastes. But it looks amazing and smells amazing. Hey there. So today I showed you how to make acorn squash, and I made it a couple different ways. We made a savory one with garlic and Parmesan, and then we did a sweet one with cinnamon and sugar. So I'm going to try the savory one first because I told you I was going to tell you what I thought. It's the first time trying it, so it's exciting. It is good. It's really good. The acorn squash is naturally sweet. It could use a little bit more garlic and Parmesan for my liking, but it really does show the taste of the acorn squash, which is super yummy, by the way. Okay. Now we're going to try the sweet one. So it's got cinnamon and sugar in it and a little bit of butter, and it looks delicious. So, and it smells amazing, kind of like French toast. This is amazing. This would be a great breakfast to like take to, like, Bible study, or some other thing you did. You could just take these squashes, cut them up, prep them, put them in there, and then take them in a container. This is, in fact, I think I'm going to do that. This is really, really tasty. I could eat that whole thing right this second, but you don't want to watch me eat it. So acorns are high in fiber. It's like 9 grams of fiber per 1 cup. High in vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, really nutritionally packed. And they're so amazing. You could literally eat it without the sugar and just taste the natural sweetness of, and it's really, botanically, it is a fruit, but most of us think of it as a vegetable because it is a squash. So hopefully you enjoyed this today, and if you have, like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, put it in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help you out there. So enjoy.